Please sit in any meditative pose. Sit in Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana. Both arms in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Feel the divine effect of different mantras. Om Bhurvuvah Swaha Tashvaveturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Brahmanandam Paramashubhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandatitam Gaganeshadrisham Tattvamashadilakshayam Ekam Nityam Vimalamacharam Sarvadhi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami Akhandananda Bodhaya Shesha Santapoharine Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Rubbing palms, right on the face of our body in the divine effect of different mantras. Open your eyes. Today our topic is pranayamas. Today we will do three types of pranayamas. Anulom Vilom pranayama. It is also called Nadi Shodhan pranayama. Second is another variation of Nadi Shodhan pranayama. And third is Pranakarshan pranayama. First of all, we will do Anulom Vilom pranayama. Anulom Vilom pranayama brings balance between our sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, removes all mental problems, removes stress, anxiety, depression, tension, headache, migraine, insomnia, all mental problems, provides immediate mental relaxation and improves our mental capabilities, improves our concentration, memory, intelligence, self-confidence, removes all respiratory problems, improves our lungs capacity, improves the functions of our respiratory system, and increases our lifespan. For Anulom Vilom pranayama, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Padam Mudra, we have to fold two fingers, index and middle, and touch the tips of these two fingers at the root of the thumb. For this practice, we have to inhale through one nostril, exhale through the other side, and again inhale through the same side. Through which nostril you have exhaled, you have to inhale through the same nostril. You can do with me. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through left nostril, slowly inhale. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through right nostril. Again inhale through right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb, exhale through left. Again inhale through left. Close your left nostril, exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Close your right nostril, exhale through left. Release. In this way, we have to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. We have to inhale through one side, exhale through the other side, again inhale through the same side. We also do Anulom Vilom Pranayama with inner retention. But those who have the problem of high blood pressure and heart, please don't do with retention. See one time, and also you can also do with me. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Slowly inhale through left nostril. Close both nostrils and retain the breath inside. Slowly exhale through right nostril. Again inhale through right nostril. Close both nostrils and retain the breath inside. Slowly exhale through left. In this way, we have to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama with retention. Next practice is Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. It is the another variation of Nadi Shodhan. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is also called Nadi Shodhan, but we will do another variation of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. For this practice, Nadi Shodhan Pranayama purifies our nadis, purifies all the lobes and also removes the blockages of our blood capillaries. And all the benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama you also get from this practice. For this practice, we close one nostril and with another nostril we have to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. We have to inhale, exhale from the same side 3 times. Then with the other side, inhale, exhale. Then inhale through both nostrils. Close both nostrils, hold the breath inside according to your capacity, and then slowly release with both nostrils. It is one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. You can do with me. Close your right nostril and inhale through left nostril. Again exhale through left nostril. Again inhale through left. Again exhale through left. Again inhale through left. Again exhale through left. Now close your left nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Exhale through right. Again inhale through left. Exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Again exhale through right. Now inhale through both nostrils. Close both nostrils, retain the breath inside. Slowly exhale through both nostrils. It is one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Next practice is Pranakarshan Pranayama. Prana means vital energy, the oxygen which we take in our breath that gives us life, that is called vital energy. And Akarshan means absorption. Absorption of vital energy. It improves our vitality and makes us energetic and removes all mental problems, improves our mental capabilities, improves our lungs capacity, improves the functions of our respiratory system. There are many benefits. Pranakarsana pranayama. For Pranakarsana pranayama, first of all, we inhale deeply and feel that we are absorbing pure oxygen like white milk. Then retain the breath inside and feel that each cell of our body is absorbing this pure oxygen. Then exhale completely and feel that we are releasing impure air like black smoke, and retain the breath outside and feel that this impure air like black smoke is going very far away from us. Do the practice with me. Close your eyes, sit straight, both arms in chin mudra. Slowly inhale deeply and feel that you are absorbing pure oxygen like white milk. Retain breath inside and feel that each cell of your body is absorbing this pure oxygen. Slowly exhale and feel that impure air like black smoke is coming out. Retain the breath outside and feel that this black smoke, this impure air is going very far away from you. Slowly inhale, normalize your breath. It is one round of Pranakarsana pranayama. In this way, you can do all these pranayamas at least 5 rounds. These pranayamas are very effective in these days of pandemic. Thank you. Please take care.